Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. How are you all this afternoon? We've had a few updates today on our show, so there could be a few technical glitches throughout the show. We'll see what happens. Click here when live stream, info, view counts, and more. Let me have a look. What does this do? Okay, restream. Don't think I need that. Okay, I think we're good. Right, so there's a few little things that have been added to my stream. We'll see what happens in today's stream. Anyway, I digress. Let's get straight into the trades and let's have a quick look at what's going on. Right, here we go. So if it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. There could be a few errors today, a few glitches in the show. We've got brand new software, so let's see how it goes. All right, see what happens. Anyway, smash the like button. If we get 100 likes during the show, we will give away a cash prize as well. So welcome, welcome. All right, so let's get straight into our positions and see where we are. We've got some comments here. I'm not sure how this is going to work. Let's have a look. Some things you can't test. If you need to click or edit the style text, double click here. Thank you very much. I need to edit that. You can't do some things, unfortunately, when you are off air. Some things have to be done during... oh, hello. There we go. It looks like it updated itself. Let me bring up the comments to this position here. There we go. All right, let's see what happens now. Martyn Lucas highlights. Good afternoon to you. Right, get a badge, join the club. Yeah, indeed. Your badge should show on the screen now, Bill. I don't see it right there. It's supposed to show it on the screen. Let me click on it a minute. Let's see. Background, colours, Bill. Yes, it's supposed to say that. Maybe it will later. Yeah, I apologise for this, folks. We've got a few updates and some things you can't do during the show. What is that down there? Ecamm Live Program. We don't need that. So just bear with me a second. We have a few little things here. Window, program. Yeah, we don't need that. We'll close that. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, let's try that again. Bill, Crag, just put your comment on the post on the screen. We should get a badge. It should show membership badges as well. Anyway, as I say, I do apologise for being a little bit confused right now. My whole system's updated, and some things I can't check during a live show. It has to be during a live show. But anyway, I have a badge. Join a family here. Yeah, I thought it would appear on the screen, but it's not doing it yet. Maybe it will in a minute. Anyway, I don't know why that keeps showing up. Let me just get rid of that program. Window, program, options. I don't know what this will do to the screen. It should be okay. Okay, that looks all right. I've just got to make a couple of things here. Use discrete, automatically hide, automatic overlays, stream, use high quality, yes. Video. Fade out, show picture in picture above overlays. Let's have a look. Don't know why that is showing. Anyway, it's all new, and I couldn't test it until I went live, which is a bit weird. Anyway, yeah, you see your badge. You see your badge in the chat, but I'm on about when I put it on the screen. When I put it on the screen, there's this new feature where it shares your badge, but I don't see that. Anyway. Why is that down there? I don't suppose it really matters. Okay. I can get used to that. Stretch this. Okay. I think I'm good. I think we're settling into it. All right. Okay. Let's go through all our positions. Here we go. Now, who bought... I just thought this would be funny. In fact, I'll wait till Church is here. You might notice something on the screen. Chevron. All right. We'll talk about that in a minute. Virgin Galactic is down a little bit right now. 0.65. Virgin Orbit is down. Ryan Burns not sure how to like when I watch TV. Sorry. You go onto the screen... and you just go down at the bottom on the screen and you can click like. You can click like while watching it on TV. Yes, you can. You can. But obviously I can't share with you right now. It's pretty difficult for me to show you, but I can't. But anyway. Actually, I can. There you go. I can do it. I can actually do it. Okay, so if you look at this now, if we go to phone, and if we go to, this should work. As I say, we do have a few issues this afternoon, because there's a few things that are new, and I couldn't test them until I went online. So let me just try it now. Okay, here we go. Okay. Right. You look on my TV. This is my TV up here, right? This is the TV. So this is YouTube on TV. What you're looking at now. If you press the up on your remote control, see that? Hang on. See the up button, the little up. If you go up on the screen, it comes up to this. Keep watching. Look, there you are. See up. And then you've got the like. You go to the right. Look, and I can like the video. Can you see that? I can click like. There you go. I just liked it. Does that make sense? There you go. You can also put the comments on the screen as well. If you wanted to have comments on the live TV and comment through the TV, you can. All right. So, yes, there you go. Awesome. Now then, I've got one more adjustment to make and we should be good. I don't want program on the screen and I don't know how to get rid of it. Arrange, options, high quality. Video off, audio. Apologize for this, guys. I've got a brand new virtual cam, virtual mic, sharing window off. Everything's updated to date. Show overlays window. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Pretty much all I can do right now. Anyway, let's carry on. Rivian is down very slightly today, down 3.24. Tesla, now, remember I said this morning, I see it just going sideways. It's dead money now. I've taken my money from it. I sold it at 146. Mike sold it at 160. Ali Tizro did 155, and I made my purchases with the profits. I bought Next Extra Energy, that was down here, and that's growing, and I've got dividends as well. I also bought, and I'm waiting for some reaction to this, Chevron. I bought Chevron today. I never thought I would buy a company like this. However, I decided to do it for a number of reasons. One of those reasons being a $75 billion buyback of shares. Also, the dividend that this company now provides, and they're increasing it. So I think this is a good, stable asset to hold in my portfolio. I never thought I'd buy it. But there you go. I now own Chevron. Only 2 shares right now, but nevertheless. Can we watch the video of your For You page? What's For You page? Can we watch the video on your For You page? What's that? What's that? I missed that. Anyway. Let's carry on. Oh, something to do with... oh, I see. Breaking news in Romania. All right. I'm not sure I want to... Is that what you're talking about? I'm not sure I want to share that on the screen. I don't really know what's going on there, so I'm not going to... I'm not going to do that. Anyway, on TikTok, so we can see your latest video that pops up when you watch TikTok. Yes, that one. Yeah. No, I don't want to show that. I don't know what the content is of that video. And on TikTok, you never know what's going to fly up next. So I don't want to just start playing a video on TikTok. I don't know what it's going to come on the screen. No, I'd rather not, if that's okay. If you had to pick a stock that you only hold that stock until retirement, what would it be? The S&P 500, VU, obviously, because I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to be concerned about it ever going bankrupt. It's always going to pay me a dividend. It's always going to increase on average 15% a year over the next 10 years. And that is more than I need. So, yeah, I'd be quite happy to do that. In fact, that is exactly what I am actually doing. So again, I'm not just saying things. I do it anyway. Have you looked more into XYLD? I am, yeah. I'm reading all about it, and I'm considering splitting up my VU and XYLD 50%. Anyway, that's another story. When I've concluded it, I'll come back to you. But I've got a share in it, as you know, and you said you think I might buy $4,000 of it. Well, we'll see. That's not a stocks, it's an ETF. Yes, I know yes, okay. But you know what I mean. It's an if you ask me about a specific stock, then I would have to say one to buy and forget about. I'd probably have to say either Coca-Cola or J&J, I'd say. If I was going to buy it and forget about it and never think about it again, probably. Again, the same thing. That's what I'm doing with my money anyway. So anyway. So I apologise for a little bit of a messy start to the show. We got this new system, and we're having to see how it all works. Nice, love it, says Caden. Hopefully people's badges will come up here soon. This might be new though. But soon, apparently, if you are a moderator, your badge and your moderator status should show on this when I put it on the screen. It's not doing it yet, but apparently it will soon. Anyway. Apparently, that's what it's supposed to do. And if I send it to a favorite, what does that do? Nothing particularly. Okay. All right. It's fine, Ali Tizro. Have watched the TikTok breaking news. This is a free show you can share. It's not a rude video. I don't know. Yeah, but I don't know what it is, Ali. I can't just show it up and hope for the best. I can't do that. What should I buy? Martyn Lucas highlights. So we were talking about you earlier on. I had a look at your YouTube channel. Very, very clever. You're bound to get lots of views. Because I'm always looking at it, and then you come in and talk about it. It's very clever, that, actually. I'll give you that. As I grow, you could end up growing with me. So quite smart, really, actually. I'm impressed with your idea there. That's quite good. It's quite a good idea. As I grow, you make a video on what I'm doing. However, I will tell you now, everything that you're producing is copyright. So I get informed when you use my content, and it tells me. So I could have it removed from YouTube. So, but I'm not planning on doing that right now. I think it might be quite nice if you sort of, be an active member of our show. Maybe become a member. If you're going to steal all my material, you might want to become a member. I don't know, and also if you want everyone to look at it, remember you'll be making money out of my videos. So perhaps be a member of our channel. Engage with the channel. Maybe that'd be kind of cool, but I don't mind. It's kind of flattering, really. I think it's quite entertaining. But anyway, consider becoming a member to our channel. As I say, I do get notified when you post, and anyway, I just thought you should know that. I just thought you might like to know that. Anyway. Maybe. Technically, it's a clip. So there is no copyright. No, not at all. It's my content, and I get notified about it, and I can have it removed if I want to. Someone was doing it before. They were using videos of mine, clips of mine, and they weren't being very nice about it, and I just had them removed. So yeah, if you basically make content out of somebody else's content, I can actually do that. YouTube says there is no copyright. Well, it does, yes, because I've not claimed against it, but I can claim against it if I want to. Every time you do it, it alerts me that content has been used that's taken from my channel, and I can then say yes or no. The only reason why you haven't had copyright is because I've said it's okay. That's all I'm saying. But so just, I don't know. That's all I'm just telling you how it works. If their terms, they say it's a short clip when commentary, you're copyright free. No, there's a fair use policy, but when you take someone's video, I get notified, and it's up to the other person. It's up to the other person whether they want to ask, have it removed or not. So it's my content, but I like what you're doing. I like what you're doing, so it's no problem. I'm just saying, might be worth just being part of the family here. I don't know. I'm just trying to help you grow, really. Actually, anyway. Microsoft up to date 2.53. I've got a nice position there. I like it. There is a small dividend as well, 1.05. Just creating more exposure to your name. No, as I say, it's fun. I like it. I'm just telling you how it works. I'm just trying to tell you how it works. I like what you're doing. I think it's funny. I'm going to be checking it out every day. So you're going to get lots of views from me anyway. But anyway, I'm just saying it's probably a good idea. Yes, I did watch it. I haven't decided whether I'm going to comment on them yet. But I watched it, and we'll see what goes on. I'm just saying, I'm just trying to help you, as I always try to help everybody. I do have the right to remove them, as I'm saying, but I don't want to. I think it's fun what you're doing. And they are. Look, Caden's going to check it out. So I'm just saying, maybe be an active part of our family. Be a member. Engage in Discord, and it might actually help you. That's what I'm saying. I want it to be a fun side, a side thing for what I'm doing here. I think it's quite a fun thing. Just giving you the best way to make the most of it. Right, so there we go. We're up 0.81 today overall. Not too bad at all. If anyone's watching that would like to get access to our Discord, it's free. If you want to get access to Discord, here it is in the chat. And of course, if you want to become a member, we've got 95% of our live viewers who are members. Here is the invitation to become a member. Anyway. We are now. Let's have a look at the heat map. Let's have a little look at the heat map and see what's going on over there. Let's have a little look. We haven't yet bought any of our crypto assets yet. We have not decided to do that yet. Everything's looking pretty green today. It does look like that Microsoft, as I said before, is very hot today, up 2.34. Tesla has cooled down somewhat. Kind of a cool concept. It is a very good idea. It's a very good idea. If you find a channel that's got good engagement and you start doing a sideshow, it's quite ingenious actually. I'm going to give it to him. I think it's quite clever. So there you go. Anyway, I got no idea what he's going to do next, or she. I don't know who it is. Anyway. It is a good idea. I think at least you should become a member. Should we have a poll? Now, does anyone know what I'm talking about? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? I've got a fan channel. Has anyone seen it? I'm going to show you. See, look, he's getting free publicity out of me as well. I can't believe it. He's going to end up getting more subscribers than me, and it's my content. How funny is that? I can see it happening. Look, here we go. Look. So this person's making a channel, YouTube channel. It's called Martyn Lucas Highlights. And I'm going to share it on the screen with you right now. Look, here it is. It's got 2 subscribers already. Just launched it. There you go. There's the first one. Look, Virgin Orbit. It says investor loses $600 in minutes. Anyway. So I'm keeping my eye on this one. I've never seen anything like it. There you go. There it is. Let's see. So, should I give everyone this? Should I give everyone? I tell you what. I'm not going to give anyone the link unless he becomes a member. I'm not going to give him the link unless he becomes a member. What's the banner across the top though? What's the banner? What's all that about? Is that like what is all that about? It's interesting. Anyway, I've never seen anything like it. It's like what's going on? Anyway, let's do a poll. I know what the result will be. I know exactly what the result will be. Should my fan YouTuber, what do I call it? Fan YouTube channel. Let's have a look. Be a member. There you go. Should my fan YouTube channel be a member? I know what everyone's going to say. I'm 100% certain what everyone's going to say. So I've got someone here making content on me. Should they be a member to the channel? They're stealing my content and making videos out of it. And should they be a member to this channel, engage in this channel? What do you think? Anyway, I know what the result's going to be. He's put no. There we go. He's the first person to vote on it. He's put no. I bet you anything you like, it'd be 99% yes. Right. Chevron. How much am I up by that now? 0.34. Look at that. I heard about a $75 billion buyback plus increasing the let's have a look. What's he said here? How about I'll become a member if you promote me on your channel lives daily. Not for not a chance in hell. You'd have to be a sponsor member like Ali Tizro to get promoted. You can't be a YouTube member, a bronze level member for a couple of bucks and expect me to promote your channel. I mean, so you want to steal all my material, make a channel about me, and then you want me to promote it for you. So you basically grow as fast as I grow for $2 a month. It's a very good idea, except I'm not going to do it. Good try. Good try. Anyway, we got to focus on something else other than my fan YouTube channel. It's bizarre, isn't it? Right, Tesla. It's 159 again now. It's going sideways all day. What do you think about it? Got to respect the hustle. I tell you what. I'll give it to him. It's very innovative. I tell you what. I'm 100% committed to the innovation. I think it's very, very smart. He's going about it in the wrong way, though. But very, very smart, nevertheless. All right. Bill is now... Oh, hang on a minute. Let me fix that. That's better. Let me fix that. That's better. That's better. That was a bit small. There we go. Some of these things I can't do. I have to do them live on the show. Want me to take care of him, Mike? He's all right for a minute. He's all right for a minute. I think it's cool. He just needs to think a little bit. You know. Anyway. Just reading some comments here. Just bear with me a second. We've got all this new stuff happening today. While broadcasting and recording, keep Ecamm Live's floating utility windows in the foreground. Show program window while in other apps. Show an Ecamm Live program window. That's what I want to turn off. There you go. Right, finally turned off that. Okay, Mike says I'm driving. Hi, Paddy. I'm not doing anything wrong, he says. Tesla lifted off today today. I'm trying to help you, Martyn Lucas Highlights. I'm trying to help you. If you become an active member of our family and you're a member, then you can grow alongside my channel. If you just want to remain in the background, basically using my content, you don't want to engage, you just want me to promote you don't want to be a member, then obviously my members aren't going to follow you, are they? They're not going to subscribe to you. They're not going to have fun with you. You can have it a fun thing and be part of us and we all grow together, or you can try and just steal it, get me to promote you for free and do what you like, and then of course you won't have half the success. It's up to you. You can become a rogue, crazy content creator and do what you want. I can't stop you, other than I can get you to remove the videos. I could do that if I want. Or you can play along with the family and we all grow together. It's your choice. It's up to you how you do it. All right. I can't believe I'm having this conversation. Tesla lifted off today when they then went stagnant. Yeah, Bootsy. My thoughts on all of this is quite simple. I think that we're going to go sideways for at least a quarter. I think we're going to go sideways for a quarter. That's what I think. I love everyone here. We might love you too. It's up to you how you play it. Mike, you should invite him in. You should invite him in Investor Show. Let's start a good conversation. Mike, you should invite him in Investor Show. Hi, Carlos and Rob. Who are you going to invite? Mr. Lucas, you're right. Mullen is a bad stock. I don't trust the CEO. I told you. I followed it so much recently. You can see it. It's an awful thing. It's a total scam. I don't like it. The way they treat people is terrible. They lie. They manipulate. It's an unbelievable waste of time. I'm glad you've discovered that. I don't think you want to be involved in that. That's just my feeling. Anyway, so that's up to you. Ben Fraser, good afternoon to you, Ben Fraser. Lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. How are you this afternoon? S&P 500 is doing very well now, 3.69. I've got 47% of my money in this. We're now looking for defensive stocks. I still do believe that we've got another leg down. So between now and then, in this next quarter, I've got some decent dividends coming from these stocks that I hold, and I'm looking to see how it all pans out. But it's going to be nice. But Tesla, I think is going to go sideways. We've had a massive rally up. Tomorrow, sell-off Friday, we could see some more sell-offs on Tesla. I'm happy to take my money out of it, which is what I did, and I bought Next Extra Energy. Remember, I've still got my long-term position in Tesla, but I've taken some profits. All right, okay. Anyway, we are about to do something I've not seen for a while. We've got 41 people watching and 12 likes. Everyone's waiting to win some money, right? Okay, so we're going to put a 1 minute on the clock. If we get to 100 likes during the show, we're going to give away a cash prize. And it's, remember, cash prize in the morning. 41 watching. In 1 minute from now, I want to see 30 likes. You ready? Okay, let's go to a very, very quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. So get ready. Let's see if this will work now with all these updates we've got going on. No idea what's going to happen. Let's hope it works. All right. Okay, here we go. Back in 10 seconds from now. All right, as a YouTube sponsor, you can be in this space, $99 a month. You reach over 500,000 people now is my reach across all my platforms. You can be in that space just there. Awesome stuff. Right, let's do it. Let's get 30 likes in 1 minute. And if we get to 100, we'll give away a cash prize. You ready? Okay, so here we go. Let's put a minute on the clock. Zoom in. You ready? Okay, let's do it right now. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Let's get it moving. Smash the like button. Ready? Let's zoom in. We got 14 likes. We should 15, 16, 17. Very good. We should actually have 30, and that'll be 30% of the way there. Thanks for all the follows over there on TikTok. We're just short now of just a handful of numbers for 32,000 followers. I can't believe it. It's incredible. 14 seconds to go. Are we going to get there? Smash the like button. 7 seconds to go. There we go. 19 likes. Not too bad. We're getting better, but a long way to go. I think we've got a lot of bots again this afternoon. We do seem to have some bots that never interact with our show. 21. There we go. That never interact. Anyway, Next Extra Energy. So that's where I used my money this afternoon that I sold from Tesla. Let's have a look here. Should my fan YouTube channel be a member? 64% yes. I thought you'd have gone 99% yes on that one. That's kind of strange. I think I've got some of the non-members watching and going, no, just made it to smash. Nice one. So look at this right now. Microsoft is the hottest stock of the day. Tesla also looking pretty good. Up, yeah, very good. 9.37. But let's remember that was from last night. It was in the after hours. Tomorrow is a whole different day. It hasn't actually gone up today. Remember that. I think that's a really important thing to mention. If we look at it a minute, Tesla, this rise was basically the after hours, and it held in the pre-market. It's not actually up today. Does that make sense? This was the after hours last night. It hasn't actually gone up all day. I think that's worth saying. This was the after hours last night, look, and it's just gone sideways. I think a lot of people are a little bit carried away with this, thinking, oh, wow, look at this. Tesla's really good. It's up 10% today. It's not. It was the after hours. Could you host a cash giveaway? Yes, I've got 2 cash giveaways. Martyn Lucas highlights. I've got a cash giveaway. I've got 2 today. A $20 cash giveaway, a $10 cash giveaway, and another $10 cash giveaway in the morning. So $40 right now is on the line. Yep. So, yeah, we are hosting a cash giveaway. No, me, I host for you. You want to do a cash giveaway? This will be interesting. How are you going to do that then? How are you going to give away money as a prize to my audience? This will be interesting. Martyn Lucas highlights. No, me, I'm going to host for you. How are you going to do that then? I have no idea. Does anyone know what this is all about? This is our Martyn Lucas highlights. He's got his own YouTube channel. Anyway, I'm not going to keep talking about him. I donate a super chat. All right. And then you want me to give it away. All right. What's the competition then? What's the competition then? Right. Mohammed, it's weird why Lucid and Rivian are down. The market is good. And not really. Lucid and Rivian are losing money on every car they sell. So I'm not surprised. And Tesla earnings was good. No reason to be down. There is. I know you love the car and you love the company, but they're losing money on every single sale. So there is no reason why Rivian and Lucid should go up. People aren't going to buy Lucid just because it's a great car. It has to make money. You know, it has to make money, and it's not. So I'm not surprised. What do you mean, Tom? He didn't even spot the Discord tech support come into the show. Yeah, I did. What have I done? What's going on? What's going on, Tom? What do you want to know? Apple is up 1.17. Still down, out the money. Amazon, still out the money, just by 1%, getting much closer. Are you covering PCE tomorrow? Fed's preferred inflation data. Let's have a look on my economic data for tomorrow. Core PCE. Yes. Previous. Let's have a little look. 0.2, consensus, 0.3, forecast, 0.1. Yeah, I'll be covering that in the morning. Thank you very much for alerting me to it. This is what we're talking about. This is very, very important. I'll share it on the screen so everyone can see what we're talking about. Core PCE prices in the US. Paul B is a member for 12 months. Hey! And there you go, 12 months of holding hands with a Southerner. Solid pals now, Lucas. There we are, Paul B, mate. You are now a gold badge owner. There you go. Congratulations to you. Absolutely awesome. I love it. Very, very nice indeed. You are now Paul B, a gold badge member. All right.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
There you go. Cheers, mate. So, has been a member for 9 months, from Tom, CNB Studio. Prices in the US, which exclude food and energy, went up by 0.2% month over month in November, following an uply revised 0.3 increase in the prior month before. And the prior month, matching market estimates, the annual rate, the Federal Reserve's preferred gauge of inflation, fell to a 4th-month low of 4.75 from 5% prior. So what the Fed are trying to do, they're trying to bring down inflation. So we want to see PCE come down tomorrow. That's what we want. Markets will love it if they do. By the way, Mohammed Kahain, Thank you for the comment on the video. I'm glad your wife liked the video. That was a lot of fun. If those of you didn't see it, we made a video this morning for Mohammed. Did anyone see it? Basically, I said to Mohammed, get off the toilet. Get off the toilet. Oh, by the way, Mohammed, did you like I gave you a golden toilet? Because I thought you're a wealthy guy. You're a wealthy guy over there in the Middle East. And I thought I'm going to give you a golden toilet because you said you're addicted to the stocks and your wife told you off. So I thought I would give you a golden toilet. Did you see it? Did you see the golden toilet? Right, there you go. You're sat on top of the golden toilet. There you go. The golden throne. And this is what happened. He said, I slept downstairs on the couch, had an argument with my wife. She says I give too much attention to my stocks. I was all surprised, as you can see there. And we decided to put him on the golden toilet. And hopefully his wife found that entertaining. All right, there we go. So Mohammed Kahine does have his own golden throne, golden toilet. There you go. If you've not seen that video yet, go and leave a comment. Leave a comment about Mohammed's golden toilet. That's Mohammed's golden toilet. There's the link. Watch it. And let me know what you think. Or let Mohammed know what you think about his golden toilet. Anyway, 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's have a look. I understand they're not making money, but their price per share should be more than what the current price is. I don't know, actually. Not really. I don't think so. I think the share price matches their position. I actually said that a fair price for Rivian is $30. However, since then, it's not ramped at the rate I thought it was. So I've downgraded it to 20. Me personally, 20. I think Rivian at 18 is a buy. Yes, I do. Hence why I've got 22 shares. I'm up 10%. I bought it at $16.53. I'd like to get it a bit cheaper before I start going all in. I'm just not living on a hopiary, living on numbers. Dean Jennings, if SPY hits 410 next week, I'm quitting my job, said Dean Jennings. You got enough money in it then, have you? Someone clip that. What, the toilet? That'll probably make its way onto our fan channel. That'll probably make its way onto our fan channel. He's probably already doing it right now. What is it? Martyn Lucas highlights. It'll probably make it on its way to there. Can we talk after the show? Something I need to check with you. Okay, Tom, of course. Absolutely. Be nice to have a catch up anyway. Someone clip that. Someone clip that and put it in Discord before our clips channel steals it and puts it on his YouTube channel. Mohammed, let me know if you like your golden toilet. He hasn't commented on it yet. He hasn't commented on that. He commented on the video. Let's see. Where is Bubble when you need him? Yeah, absolutely. Shall we hear from Bubble? Here's Bubble, look.
Welcome to the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
Absolutely
Best
right.
YouTube channel in the world. It's great family, great support all round, not just for Martyn's channel, but for every channel that you guys come and watch. So that's why you need to be part of the Day Trader family.
Hey, Tom, CMV Studio, you'll find this funny. I bought 2 shares of Chevron today, spent $374. Why did I do it? Why am I investing in oil? Well, because as my portfolio makes more money and my Roth IRA starts to fill up, I'm moving into long-term stocks, dividend stocks. They're increasing the dividend and they're doing a $75 billion buyback. So a good time to be in Chevron. And normally when you buy a stock which is at an all-time high, you guarantee 100% to lose money. You guarantee to lose money. However, I'm up 1/3% on it straight away. I was absolutely okay, I looked at the numbers and I thought, okay, I like the buyback, I like the dividend, I like the security of it. Okay, I'm going, and I looked at what it was investing in, and I thought, bloody hell, that's an impressive stock. 60 odd years they've increased the dividend. I thought, okay, that's now entering my wheelhouse. So I decided to buy just a couple of shares, and next week I might add some of that to my Roth IRA. Again, the sort of thing you leave. We get volatility with it. With oil, of course, you get ups and downs, you get all of this, but overall it's up 40% on the year. But what I like about it is the dividends and the buybacks. The buybacks is very interesting. Now, of course, you need to understand that that's priced in now. People know that we're getting a $75 billion buyback. So at the end of the day, that's probably already priced in. However, I think it's not bad. The fact I'm up 1/3% on the first 3 hours I've owned it. So there you go. Interesting. I now own oil. Didn't think I'd ever say that. Anyway, oil going up by summertime, says Stephen Lewandowski. On Valentine's Day, I want you to sing for me and my wife. I will message you so we can make this happen. Yep, I can do that. As a gold member, I can do that for you. I can set up, if you want me to, I will set up a show specifically for you, and I can make it special. Thank you, Tony Bridges. Just subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. That's what we do here. That's where I made most of my money, said Stephen Lewandowski. Oil. Rob Brennan. Martin, don't estimate. Oh, bloody hell, that's big. Hang on a minute. Let's stretch that out a bit. We don't want it to be that big, do we? Let me make an. Oh, there we go. I'm going to make an adjustment. All right. I can't do this when I'm off air. All right, folks. I have to do this when I'm on air. So I apologize for this, but there's no way of doing it when I'm actually. There we go. 20. I can't do it when I'm actually on air. That looks good. Automatic width. Fly in from left. Corners, margin, border, background. Okay. Let's try that again. That's a big comment. So, yeah. That'll do. New position. Thank you very much, Rob, for enabling me to test that. All right. Okay. Virgin Galactic's coming up. Virgin Orbit. Oh, we've got 10 minutes to go. 10 minutes to go. Rivian is picking up. Tesla. If it breaks 163, it could go all the way to 190. So there we go. It's been going sideways all day. Do you think oil will hit highs again? I don't know. I'm not holding it for that. I'm not holding it for trading it. I'm holding it for the dividend. I'm holding it for the buybacks. I'm holding it as a long term. It's not something I am going to think about trading or buying on. I don't want to focus any of my energy on time looking at oil prices. I've got too many things to worry about. I'm just going to hold it as like a Costco, like a long term. Just buy it and forget it. The reason why I bought it is I don't know what it's going to do, but I like the fact that the buybacks are 75 billion. I like the fact that the dividend is so reliable. It was something like 60 years, and it's increased. I think every year for 60 years, which is pretty impressive, right? So I bought it for that as a long-term position. Oil will hit higher highs if there is a crisis. There you go. There you go. That's my honest opinion. I don't know the answer, but I'm just buying it as a long-term hold. And now I've bought some, what I'm doing is I will look. Now I know the buybacks. Now I know about the dividends. I will look now for a discount. So if it drops 10%, I will buy two more. So I will then be 10% down. I'll then move to 5% down. That's what I will do. I will learn my averages over a long-term position. So I'll, in 5 years, I might have 20, 30 shares of it, something like that. And if we catch, whenever we get dips, 10% dips, 10% discounts, I will buy more. Because, we all know oil has these sort of, what do they call it, secular cycles, cycles, it goes up and down. So I will probably, when I get some more cash on hand in my Roth IRA, perhaps I will set like what we now 187, something like 160 to buy 2 shares. If that drops one night over, whatever during the pre-market or after hours, something like that can always happen. Always worth setting up buys. Just sitting there in case you get a flash crash or, prior to an earnings report or something like that. It's always worth. See, you've got all this. So you just set a buy there. You set a buy there. So, the general trajectory of the chart, look, as you can see it going up. But if you buy there and buy there and buy there, it's great, right? So anyway, that's the way I'm going to play Chevron, I think. Well, I don't think. That is what I'm going to do. Oil will hit higher highs if there's a crisis. Any chance of the UK energy crisis, any chance the UK energy prices could go down, please? Oh, my dear. Rob Brennan, it's insane. I cannot believe what it's costing to heat my house in the UK. I cannot believe it. It's a huge drain on my resources right now. It's a bloody nightmare, to be perfectly honest with you. Anyway, we've got 5 minutes to go. Need to bring everybody up to date. To a quick commercial break. And it's Ali Tizro in the house. I don't think he is. Not here today. Anyway, let's have a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 5 seconds from now. Okay, if you're a YouTube sponsor, you can be in this space. Here comes the ad. There you go. And you can be right there if you are a YouTube sponsor. $99 a month. My reach now is just over 500,000 across my entire network. Excellent. Growing by the day. The S&P. What do we think? It's Friday. Shall we have a poll? Hello, my friends. CY, how are you? Shall we do a little poll right now? Visa earnings after the close. I'm not covering Visa earnings tonight. 22. Not here tonight for that one. I've got some housework to do. My wife's not happy with me spending too much time on my shows. I've got to do some housework. Energy prices 5 times higher than Europe. Tories need taking out into the street and being slapped with a wet fish. Right. Okay. Will we have a sell off Friday? What do you think? This will be very, very interesting. Remember, we've got the Fed next week. Interest rates, what they're going to do. I'm actually predicting a 0.25, not a 0.5, a point, as some people are, a 0.25. Let's see if I'm right. I was right once. Did you see the Wolf of Dubai posted a space video today in which he said he was the biggest space YouTuber? Yeah, he's always saying that, except he only goes live. Yeah, bless him. I just think it's so silly because it's not true at all. If you go into YouTube and you do the YouTube search term, incognito, I come up number 1. Not every day, but most days. But it's not about that only. It's the fact that I talk about Virgin Galactic every day, 10 hours a day. He was on it. He was doing videos when it was, I was fuming. He was doing it like a couple of times a week when it was going up. And then when it started going down, he took the summer off. He disappeared for like 6 months. And then he said he'd come back every Friday when the stock come back once it started going up again. He came back and then said he'll come back every Friday. Except last Friday, he didn't bother going live. He doesn't schedule his show so you know when he's going live. So there's no like commitment to his audience. And I can't tell you how many hundreds of comments I've had from the Wolf of Device fans who have kind of defected and said, we prefer your channel. You can just read the comments. They're below my videos. They're right there. You don't have to take my word for it. Just going to have a look. But yeah, they've come over to me. Because they've said he only ever comes on when it's up. He's always trying to sell his training program, where you can be as rich as him, but he won't actually tell you what he's got. He doesn't show you like I do. He just says a general figure. So I don't know. I don't think it's. But hey, what he doesn't understand, and other YouTubers don't understand, is sharing is everything. You don't try and become an island. He is like he wants to be the only Virgin Galactic YouTuber. I don't. I want everyone to cover it. Because the more... Concentrate on being the best. Concentrate on going live and building a community. Just keep going. Okay? Don't try to make yourself an island. It's the word, and Mr. Beast says this all the time. Share everything. Because if 100 people do Virgin Galactic, it draws people into watching Virgin Galactic, and they will find the ones who do the best job. It's great. More people that do it, brilliant. If Caden Youngquist makes a video on Virgin Galactic, it's good. And I recommend you do, because it's a very, very small niche. Not many people do it. It's a good idea. But all it will do is drive traffic to you and everyone that does Virgin Galactic. And you should share. You can't be an island, and if you try and say, I'm going to be the only person who talks about one particular stock, then you miss out on the potential growth of it all. And you can't reach the world if it's just you. You know, you want everyone to get involved. That's the idea. Yeah, he does. He just wants to sell his training programs, I know. And everyone realizes that now, and that's what they're telling me. So I'm hoping... as soon as Virgin Galactic flies, I will make lots of exclusive content about Virgin Galactic and his 25,000 followers. Because remember, when he started, no one was doing it. So everyone just went to him. I wasn't doing it. They will all come to me. I'm sure I'll get like 25,000 subscribers from his channel, because they will see me going live every day when he'll only go live once now and again. And he'll just give me his audience. So, Wolf of Dubai, if you're listening right now, go live, get busy, keep your audience, or don't bother, and I'll have them. I don't care. And come on my show. I've invited you on my show. Not to promote your training program, but come on, talk about Virgin Galactic. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's have a look at these comments. He just wants to promote. Yeah, I know. More coverage, the better. Gets more word out there, creates more volume. That's exactly what Martyn Lucas Highlight Channel is trying to do, right? Except he refuses to become a member. It's all right. I'll get him in a minute, because in a minute, when I get a copyright flag, I'll just go, delete. Anyway, we'll see. I read that when market sentiment is good in the bear market. I read that when market sentiment is good in the bear market, you should sell. And when there's blood in the streets, you should buy everything you can. Feel a bit too calm at the moment. There you go, Rob Brennan. I feel that when when market sentiment is good in a bear market, you should sell. Exactly why I sold Tesla yesterday and bought Next Extra Energy. I'm not looking for stocks that are going up and up and up because fanboys are buying it. Not doing that. I take money from those stocks and buy great companies that are down on price. Warren Buffett does exactly the same thing. Looks for great companies that are cheap. That's what it's all about. Until the day trader owns Mullen, I withhold the gods. Mullen is a scam. Everyone knows it. We only play with Mullen. We've done it once. We're not in the mood to do it again. Or at a minimum, quits bashing it. At a minimum. Well, the bell's gone and I missed it. Bloody hell, I can't believe I missed that. No one told me. Why did no one tell me that was coming up to the bell? I blame you. It's your fault. Yeah, I was 2 minutes late. Is it worth even doing it? Yeah. Look at Rio. Will they hit the all-time high soon? Yes. Rio Tinto. It's not time to buy it right now. It's very expensive again. Good dividend, but you can't just buy it for the dividend, right? What has caused CENN to go up 98% in a month? I don't know is the answer to that. CENN. Tomorrow will be green, Mr. Lucas. If I'm wrong, I will send you a gift tomorrow. Hey, everybody write that down. Can someone write that down? Mohammed Kahine just said, if we're red tomorrow, he's going to send me a gift. All right, family, you convinced me. Martyn Lucas Highlights is going to become an official fan of the show. That's a good idea. It's a good idea. I really think it's a good idea. You want to promote your channel. You want to get everyone to be your friend and subscribe to you. It makes sense, doesn't it? I mean, it does, doesn't it? A Members Day, I'll promote the channel and everything. There you go. It's a very good idea. Remember, you can be bronze from a couple of bucks a month. If you are, now this should be funny, before you become a member, think about this for a minute. He won't do this, I don't think, but you never know. If he becomes a silver member, this is going to be bizarre, right? If he becomes a silver member, look, you can go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I can't do that. Should I even allow that to happen? If he becomes a silver member, he goes on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Oh my God. And he can have his own Discord channel. I just realized what that means. If he's silver, he gets his own channel on my Discord server, and he goes on the homepage of the YouTube channel, and there's nothing I can do about it. It is a silver perk. He'll probably go bronze, but I'm just saying, if he went silver, oh my God, can you believe that? Anyway, check out Intel, a miss. Intel, I prefer Microsoft 22, but I will look at it. It's because you're making us laugh. Flutter Edits, send the link. Says I've just sent it. I wouldn't even let him join, says Mike. No, it's okay. I'm okay with it. He's being nice. Send the doppelganger the link. There we go. He's gone for bronze. There he is. Unbelievable. He's gone for bronze. I can't get over it. Right, he can now access Discord as a member. We have got a guy making videos on me who can now access I can't believe we're doing this. Right, so Martyn Lucas Highlights. Here is the Discord. You can now be upgraded as a YouTube member. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. There we go. We've got he's an official fan channel now. Better to be official, better to be in the circle, right? There is Discord. Go to Discord. Here is the welcome. Here's the welcome all page. Come into welcome all. Right? When you come into welcome all, you can actually be there. You can come in and say hello, and I will upgrade your account and give you. I will give you full membership access. I cannot believe this. Family member now, or does everyone hate me? No, you're a family member now. You're a very famous family member. I can't believe it. Somebody, Caden, can you believe it? This is what happens, Caden, when you get famous on YouTube. I'm only joking. Caden, what we now need, we need someone to set up a channel to be a fan of Martyn Lucas Highlights. So you do the highlight of the highlights, and you have a channel as well. This is ridiculous. Right, I'm waiting for you to come into Discord. I think it's Stephen Lewandowski's coming in to welcome you in. Amazing. It is amazing, isn't it? Hi, highlights. Too funny. Yeah, look at this. Stephen Lewandowski said, hi, highlights. This is too funny. People can't believe this is happening. I can't believe this is happening. What happens when I get to 100,000 subscribers? Do I have, 10 people doing this or what? Anyway, a green day tomorrow, says George Semaine. Let's hope so. I don't have any malice in my heart, highlights. No, There's no negativity here at all. If anyone comes on as negative, I say, oi, get out. That's what I do. I say, oi, get out. So there's no negativity. Let me just tweak that a minute. Make a little tweak. Right, if I get that to slide to there. That's perfect. There we go. That fits there. Perfect. Perfect. I like it. Right, good. It's too funny for words, isn't it? It's your show, says Bill. When he comes in, we'll bring him in. I'm not a bad channel. Everyone. No, we're not against you now, mate. You remember. There we go. Welcome, Martyn Lucas, H. Highlights, George Semaine. They're all going to subscribe to you now. Welcome, Martyn. Don't call him Martyn. Don't call him Martyn, please. Don't call him MLH. Call him MLH. Don't call him Martyn. That's confusing for me. Family member now. No, we all love you, mate. We're all good. Amazing. I'm watching Discord to make the upgrade. Thank you ever so much, Kate, Tom, CNV Studio. Closing bell. Yeah, we've done that. Ali Tizro, wind up. I don't have any malice. He's a genius. He's already made a new clip of the live stream, has he? Oh my gosh. His channel's going to be so big. He's going to get 6,000 subscribers. I can't believe this is happening. Right. Yeah, he has as well. He bloody well has as well. Oh my gosh, he's got 60 views. He's got more views than I have on the same video. That's ridiculous. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look. For some reason it won't let me zoom in. It does that sometimes. Oh, there we go. Look, he's just made another video. Look. He's had 60 views on this. Now, here's a little... Oh, my gosh. I'm going to help him now. This is insane. Right? Now, I'm not going to call you Martyn Lucas. That's just weird. MLH, what I suggest you do, as a top tip for you, is if you use the @ Martyn Lucas Investor, which is the tag to my channel in your title, it will get you more views. It will get you more views. So if you do @Martyn Lucas Investor, you might not be able to have that feature yet. You need it when you get more subscribers, whatever. But if you do that, it'll tag to my channel and you'll get more views. I can't believe I'm telling him this stuff. Right. All right. Well, as a member, I'll do it. Right. What if I paid $500 a month? That's the investor level. You're not going to pay $500 a month. Don't wind me up. All right. There is his channel. I want to see everyone subscribe to it. And the reason why I want everyone to subscribe to his channel, right? Because you can then see what he's doing. And if he says anything bad, you can tell me. And if people comment in the comments and they say something horrible, you can comment back and say, this is rubbish. Martyn Lucas is all right. All right? So I want all of my Lucasades to subscribe to it. All right? All of my Lucasades subscribe to it. And then you can watch what goes on. He's going to get 6,000 subscribers. I know it. But anyway, there you go. All right. I'm going to refresh it in 1 minute and see if he's got some subscribers. And then look at the comments and make sure he's behaving himself. All right. Okay. Bed Bath & Beyond down 30%. They said the banks cut their credit off. No surprise. Who bought it anyway? I find the best clips of live streams so all can look back at the best things in the channel. It's like a family scrapbook. I love this. This is so funny. Have special guest. Have special guest. Do you mean coming on? Ali Tizro, tell me all about it. What's going on? What's the special guest? You got to tell me who it's first before you tell me you've got a guest coming on. Isn't it supposed to work that way around? Whose show is this? Hey, Mike, can you tell Ali whose show is this? Apparently, he's got a guest coming on my channel without even asking me. I don't even know who that is. Right. Okay, you ready? Oh, my gosh. Right, ready? He had 3 subscribers. Should we refresh it? You've got to change your banner as well. You've got to change the banner. 8 subscribers. Oh. All right. There we go. All my Lucas aides are now watching you now. You can't get away with nothing. You've got 8 subscribers. We've just doubled. We've just tripled your subscribers. You got to change the banner though. You can't have that as a banner. What's all that? What is that? Some sort of chicken in an oven or something? I don't know what that. It's like a chicken in an oven. We can't have that. Anyway. All right. Enough of that. I believe in Paddy highlights. Martyn highlights. You are very kind. Bank rug pull on beat. Yeah. Obviously. MLH. Go for it. Be king of the castle. Genius. Caden Youngquist is going genius. Pick up everybody. Pick up a channel's growth and just get all their members. It's brilliant. I'm mad Intel missed earnings by 50. I'm mad Intel missed earnings 50%. I'm not. Much better with Microsoft. I think it's quite smart and funny. It's very smart. It's very clever actually. I'm gonna do one on Caden. I'm going to do the Caden's highlights. Special guest called MLH. Is that who the guest is? Ali Tizro. Rocket Labs. For Thwain. What does that mean? Let's have a look. It's Martyn's show. I make a better banner. Yeah, you better make a better banner. We are getting ready to be... we are getting ready... Well, Ali, you need to tell me who it is. I can't bring someone who's not a member. And I know we've got special guests who are not members, like star guests of big YouTube channels. But you got to tell me who it is. All right, you can't just bring them in. Anyway, why isn't that zooming out? What's going on? Special guest, me, I'm an expert. LOL. Right, Arnold. Matterport's a good stock to buy. Fourth there's a win. He's a member. Oh, is he? Yeah. Oh, if he's a member, yeah. Is it a member? Yeah, of course he is. No worries. I'll open up the broadcast lounge. So we've got somebody in here who's a member, who's a star guest. Now I'm excited. Who's that then? Who's a star guest that's in the channel? Can we have a poll? Does anyone know who that is? Let's have a look here in a minute. Hang on a minute. Will we have a sell-off Friday? 60% say no. 60% say no. 60% say no. Anyway, he's a member. He joined tonight. Got his own YouTube channel, MLH. Chicken in the oven was funny. It does look like a chicken in the oven. It does, doesn't it? Look, it's a chicken in the oven, isn't it? Well, why is my fan YouTube channel a chicken in the oven? I mean, that's not right, is it? Something wrong about that. Anyway. Just saying. Right, Ali Tizro is in Discord. Did you want to call in, Ali? Let me know. Chicken in the oven. Right, we are up today. It does. Did everybody spot it? It does look like a chicken in the oven. Anyway, we've got incredible numbers on TikTok today. I've had several thousand come through the stream. You in the green room, Ali? We got Ali in the green room. Ali's in the green room, folks. Shall we bring him in? Or shall we refuse? What do you reckon? Shall we bring him in? Day trader of the day. Yeah, we got to do that first, haven't we? And we got to do day trader of the day first. You're jumping the gun here, Ali Tizro. I'm telling you. Ali Tizro jumping the gun a little bit. He's getting too excited. He's getting too excited with what's going on here today. I'm just making some tweaks here to my brand new setup. Oop. What's up? What's going on? Ali Tizro. I'm just making some little adjustments here because there's a lot of new features today on my channel that you can't even see, but they are there working in the background. Yes, it's Ali Tizro. Did you want to call in? Let me have a look. Ali Tizro is in the chat. Let me unmute the channel. There we go. Ali, unmute yourself now. You're live on the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. And how are you this afternoon? What's going on, mate?
Very well. Thank you very much. How are you doing?
I'm all right, Ali. I'm all right. Great to have you on. What's going on over there in England today?
Oh, it's a very cold night in England, and I thought I'd come on and give you some good news.
Oh, some good news. Hang on, before you tell me the good news, can you believe what's happening here tonight? We've got a guy building a YouTube channel based on me. What's going on with that, eh?
I think it's good news.
It's a bit of fun, isn't it?
Copyright strike him.
Yeah, I get. Well, everything that comes through, everything he does, I can see it, so I can turn it on or off. It's up to me. But I'm having some fun. I'm letting him have some fun with this. Anyway, Ali, tell me all about it. What's the good news? I'm excited now.
I've been in contact with one of my friends in the cryptocurrency YouTube sector, and I think he would like to come on for an interview. He's got 100,000 subscribers.
How many?
And 140,000.
Oh, that'll be our biggest YouTuber. That even beats Kurt Wookert. That's our #1 YouTuber. 140,000 subscribers. Check you out, Ali.
Yes, I thought I'd bring him on. Maybe you can interview him, ask him a few questions, dig into him a bit, see what you want to ask. I'll send you. I don't want to reveal to everyone who it is now, but I'll send it to you privately. Have a look through, and you can prepare some questions to ask. And I'm sure he'll be great.
Yeah, what we'll do then, set up the correspondence, Ali. You can take care of it. You know, use your friend. Let's pick a day. I'll create a thumbnail. We'll make sure that we promote it properly on all our social media. Then he can promote it his end if he wishes to do so. And we'll line it all up. I'll do some research. And I'm sure you'll help me on that as well, especially crypto as being not my #1 focus, as you know. And wow, nice one, Ali. How about that, everybody? I want to see in the chat right now. I want to see the chat blow up with, let's have some viral chats, copy and paste. Go, Ali. 140,000 subscriber YouTuber. That's my biggest YouTuber who's ever been on my show. I'm very excited about that. Very cool. Everyone copy and paste in the chat. Go, Ali. Nice one, Ali. Thank you very much.
No worries. How's your Tesla position doing? You all sold out?
Well, I've kept my long-term position because I believe that, we all believe that Tesla's a great company. I want it. I want to keep it for 10 years as part of my as my Roth. I'd like to add more. I think we're going to go sideways for a month, which means I can buy it back. I don't want money locked away, sitting there for a month or 3 months, in fact, which is what I think is going to happen. And so far, if you look at it, it's up. In fact, look, it's down in the after hours, 0.25% nearly. It looks like it's up today, but it isn't really. It's up in the after hours last night and has just gone sideways all day. So I think that tells me that it's peaked. It's not going to go anywhere for probably a quarter. People want to see what happens with the margins. They want to see what happens with the Fed next week. And I think it can go sideways for a bit. So I've taken some money out of it. I bought next to Extra Energy. That was a great trade for me. Managed to buy just a handful of shares to add to what I already had. But it halved my loss from 8% down to 4%. It does pay a dividend. And over the next 3 months, so I've got a quarter before the next earnings, I've got another $6,000 minimum that will come into my portfolio, and I'll probably spend $1,000, maybe $2,000 on Tesla if it goes sideways like this, waiting for the next for the next run. So yeah, I'm happy with that.
Yeah, that's great news. Some great trades there. Are you not are you still happy to hold Tesla even though you don't like the CEO?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. It's not that I don't like him. I've never met him, and until I meet someone, I can't say whether I like someone or not. I just think it's wrong to lie to your investors about what you're going to do. You have every right to sell your shares, but if you lie and say you're not going to do it and you do it, maybe you can be forgiven once, maybe, but not 3 times. And I just think it's bad on your own earnings call when you are essentially, let's remember what an earnings call is. It's not for YouTubers to make YouTube content. You are talking to your investors, and there are investors with millions and billions of dollars invested in Tesla who are upset because you sold Tesla to buy Twitter when you said you wouldn't, and it drove. It's why the share price is so low. You might go, well, that's great because people could buy it in, but I'm sure the big shareholders wouldn't agree with that, the fact that we've driven the price down. So you did that, and then on your very own earnings call, when we should be focused on the news of Tesla, you're telling everybody how popular you are on Twitter. And it's, I'm thinking, what the hell? You shouldn't be promoting yourself and Twitter on your earnings, especially when you did the dirty on your shareholders. I just thought that was disrespectful. Doesn't take away the genius, doesn't take away the company. But at the end of the day, that's just my own personal view. I'm happy to hold Tesla. I want to buy more Tesla long term, but I don't see any sense in locking up money for 3 months when I can earn money in other places, come back in, say, 2 months with maybe 10, 20% more money and buy even more Tesla, even if it holds at 10% up from where it was. If I can make 20%, I'm still making money. So that's my long-term view on Tesla.
Yeah, it's a good view, but I don't agree with slashing Elon so much, because there's so many. The reason we know that Elon's lied is because he talks so publicly about everything. There's so many CEOs out there that do much worse things and haven't achieved anything and haven't made money for their investors that we don't go after because we don't know what they're saying, or we haven't looked into it. They're not as popular. So you have to always take that into account. There's a lot of CEOs aren't great or make bigger mistakes than Elon. And we have to remember Elon is autistic at the end of the day, so he does make that explains his personality a bit, but it doesn't excuse anything. But at the same time, I just think a lot of CEOs do make
I have
comments.
no issue. This thing with autistic, right? I can relate to this because I've studied Elon Musk. I've read his book. I've read information. Elon Musk, as a child, was bullied at school extensively. I was bullied at school. I know what it's like to be the odd one out, the guy at the back of the class who's the entertainer, the singer. Elon Musk was not an entertainer, I'm sure, but he was different. He had his own thing, and I was bullied a lot. I know what it's like to be bullied. I know what it's like to be different and have your own path. And Elon Musk certainly. So when he talks the way he talks and stutters and stumbles, that doesn't worry me. That's him, and that is not an issue. He's not being judged by his presentation. Some people say he is. Well, not in my book. His presentation, he's not the best speaker for Tesla, and that's not what I mean. Not what I mean. We don't need an entertainer or a speaker to present Tesla. But if we are the CEO, I just think you should respect your investors. And he has said publicly, I don't care about the investors. I don't care about the traders. He says that all the time in his interviews, and he's entitled to that opinion. But
if I was CEO, I wouldn't care about my traders. Maybe I'll care about my investors a little bit, but you just build the best company you can. The investors can do what they like. They can make money. They can believe in the company and buy it long term. Yeah. There's no need for a CEO to care about what his investors are thinking, or he's just focused on his company and growing it the best he can, and that's what he seems to do year after year. Yeah. So that's my view of it. So I'll leave you with that. I'll let you know about the crypto YouTubers coming on, and I'm looking forward to that interview.
Yeah, that'd be wonderful. And Ali, thank you ever so much for setting that up. Let me know who that is privately. I know you said you didn't want to tell everyone publicly, but tell me who that is, and I will go and look at his channel and think, oh, very cool. Oh, very, very cool. And great job with that, Ali. Thank you very much, mate.
Thank you. And one more thing about my Discord channel.
As we've got you on, let's talk about it.
Yeah, I'm just mentioning to everyone that the prices of the Discord channel will be rising at the end of February. So if people want to get in now, then that's fine. If people don't want to get in, if people want to cancel, that's fine. I'm just trying to give you as much heads up as I can. And the 15% discount will be sorted, so it's a lifetime discount. But we'll talk about that more later on. I just want to give everyone the date that at the end of next month, the Discord channel will be rising to £15 a month.
And I wanted to say to everybody, when you start, and I want to say this as a friend, not as the fact that you're my sponsor. You didn't pay me to say what I'm about to say. I'm just saying off the cuff. I didn't even know Ali was going to mention this, but I want to add this, right? If you are thinking, and you might be thinking, and that's fair enough, you're entitled to your thoughts, of course. Wow, the price is going up. You know, Martyn's membership is only a couple of bucks, and this is like $10 going up 50%, $15, whatever. To understand, right? Understand that my membership is there to support the live shows. That's what it's for. Everything else is just part of it, right? It's to support the live shows. Ali's membership might be more than my bronze and silver. It's obviously half of what my gold is, and I have about 12 people who are gold, by the way, and we have obviously a couple of sponsors as well. But Ali doesn't just provide content, he does one-on-one, he answers your questions, and it takes a lot of time to go through. You know, when I reply to everyone's questions on YouTube, right, I'm there going through hundreds of comments. I've got it all worked out. You know, I've got a structure. You know, it's personal, it's real, it's all happening live, but I've got a structure. What Ali's doing, if you ask Ali a specific question, he's doing a chart and analysis for you, and that takes a lot of time. So I'm not trying to sell this, Ali. I'm not trying to convince anyone to pay it and think it's, you know, justify it. That's for everyone to decide. I'm simply saying it's you put a lot of work in for the money you're charging. You know, I've seen the conversation and I'm hearing from people, they've asked you something and you've gone back and done a chart. You've you know, that takes a lot of time. So, you know, I just want everyone to realize that you do get a lot of Ali's time for that membership. And don't forget, my membership is to provide the show. The show happens, okay? What Ali's doing is helping you decide when and when not to buy the crypto assets, which is going to make you, hopefully, you know, not a fact, but hopefully, from $1,000 to 10 grand. So you could earn 9 grand with this knowledge, and you might even be on a bigger plan. But I just wanted to say that, Ali, as a friend, not as a sponsor, but I appreciate how much work you're putting in.
Thank you very much. That is exactly it. I've put a lot of hours to just get the original portfolios up, which are still up to, I can still change them, but they are up there, so you can join and have a look at them. But that took months and months of research, and I want to keep this Discord small so I can do these one-on-ones. It is growing quite fast. I do have quite a few members now, so I don't want to have too many members which I can't focus on each person there, because I'm there to provide each person with help. I can do one-on-ones. I can help you buy crypto. Everyone has a different need, and I want to be able to give the needs that people have. I want to be able to provide for them. And if I have too many members, then I can't do that. So I want to keep it private, exclusive. The members that are already there will be still on the same price plan, but I don't want too many. If more people join, then maybe I have to increase the price again, because I want to keep this very small private Discord, so I can attend to everyone the same and not have to make it a very big Discord channel that I can't answer everyone's questions. So that is the reason.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. And take it from someone who had to scale up One Night in Vegas, my theatre show. You know, millions of people around the world came to my theatre shows, and as it grew, I had to grow into it. And it's the same as this. I still do answer everyone's questions. I reply to everyone's comments, read everyone's comment in the chat, and so on. And it's a good problem to have. As you grow bigger, you might have to make adjustments, but it's always important, and I know you will, having spoken to you and having set up a relationship with you as a sponsor. I know that you value the initial investors in your program, and like I do, the original members get extra treatment and extra support. As someone who joins in 5 years' time isn't going to get what the guys did at the beginning. That's just respect, I think, to the people that built you. But of course, at some point, someone just mentioned one-on-one isn't scalable when you have 100,000 followers, George Semaine. But he will work out how to deal with that. He might have to have, group conversations. You might go online on Discord and have 50 people all coming in and answering a question to 50 people. There are ways to still give that service as you scale, but you'll work that out as you go. It's not an issue. You don't need to be worried about that now. I've already thought myself, how do I answer everyone's questions? Well, I might have to then go only bronze get their questions answered, as it grows, or then silver and so on. But you just grow into that. But that's a good problem to have, Ali. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, I just want to be completely transparent and give people as much notice as I can. And I'll keep updating everyone on the Discord. So we'll drop the link. If you want to join, please join and enjoy it. Ask me questions before you join. I'll give you as much detail as I can. And once you become a member, you'll have my full support and time.
Great. I look forward to it. I look forward to our first purchase. I've got $1,000 here sat in my
This is the best time to join.
No,
we have made no trades yet. This is the best time to join. We haven't made a single trade yet. In 3 months' time, when we already bought and maybe we'll be up, then you might think you're too late. I mean, you still won't be too late because we'll have there's always different content, but this is the best time to join. We haven't made any moves yet. We're getting everyone prepared to make these purchases. So it's the best time to join.
Awesome. Ali, as always, thanks for your thoughts and insights. And again, thank you for your connection to that guest. Send that to me now, because when I get off air, I want to read who that is. So thank you ever so much, Ali, once again for joining into the show.
You.
Cheers, Ali.
Bye-bye.
There you go. Ali Tizro live on the show today, one of our sponsors. We have a couple of sponsors now. We have Melinda Source, of course, who is passive at the moment. We don't talk about them very much at the moment, but they are there supporting the channel. And, of course, Ali is very active in our show. Queen of Self-Braining is here. You having way too much fun, day trader. 998 and change. 998. What's going on? What's 998? You're having way too much fun. 998. What is that? I have no idea what that means. How many members have we got? I don't know what's going on there. No idea what that was. Anyway, it's time to wrap up the show, I think. Bill is number 1 on Discord again tonight. No one touches Bill on Discord. Let me go over to Discord right now and gift me, says Arnold De Palma. Balance. My balance? What do you mean? My balance? Oh, on crypto, it's gone up, by the way. So, of course, I have 2 things which you know about. We've got my ledger. There's my Bitcoin, just sits there, holding it really kind of forever, if you like. There's my Bitcoin, sits on my ledger, it's not going anywhere. And we've also got the Coinbase, which was 998. It's now 1,008. Because last night, Andrew McGrady, I think it was, said, I can't stand this 998. It should be at least 1,000. So I had super chats coming in all over the place, and there you go. So that's what happened there. Anyway, now then, tomorrow is going to be an unusual day because it's Friday. We're expecting. We talked about it. Are we going to have a sell-off Friday? You said no. 58% think no. Tomorrow night I'm on a gig, and Saturday night I'm on a gig. So there'll be no Friday night. There'll be no Friday night party tomorrow night. So if anybody wants it tonight, we can do it tonight. If everybody says they want a party. So there was someone in here who requested the Eye of the Tiger. So I want to see if everybody wants a party. If you want a party after hours tonight, a 20-minute live show, then you need to blow up the chat. We need, like, how many people are watching right now? There's 38 people. There's 38 of you in the show. So if you want an after hours party right now, let me know in the chat and I will set it up and we'll do an after hours party. But right now there isn't anything planned, but I can do it if you want me to, because tomorrow night there will not be a party because I am doing a gig. So I'm going to let it up to you. If the chat blows up and you fancy an after hours music show for about 15-20 minutes, let me know, and I am happy to do that. Okay. Right. Let's check Discord. We've got nobody in the broadcast lounge at the minute, and we're up to 487, 13 more Discord members, and we go public. So here we go. Here's our Discord link. It's free if you want to be on Discord. There you go. Oh, I nearly forgot. It's cash prize giveaway in the morning. Has everybody watched the video? We got two. We got two cash prize giveaways. Ali Tizro, are you still in the chat? Ali Tizro, are you still in the chat? Because tomorrow morning we have our usual. Yes, he is. Our usual newsletter giveaway. We also have this video here. Now, some of you haven't watched it all the way through, so you won't be in the draw. So if you want to open it up as a separate tab or whatever, there's Ali Tizro's video. Leave Ali Tizro in the comments and watch it all the way through. And we're giving away $20 cash prize on that one tomorrow, plus the other $10. So $30 tomorrow be given away. Plus, if we get 100 people in the show, we'll give away another $10. So there's $40 cash prize tomorrow available. Everybody on TikTok right now, do you want to be in my cash prize draw? Does everybody on TikTok want to win up to $40 tomorrow? Anybody? And I pay it live out in the show on Cash App, Apple Pay, PayPal, whatever, during the show. If you do, you've got a couple of minutes to get into YouTube, and I'll give you the link. It's free to enter. I want nothing from you. I don't contact you, don't sell you anything. I just give you free money. I just like doing it, all right? And there's only a handful of people who've entered it, so there's a very good chance you can win. Anyway. Stephen just said his highlights are very funny. Martyn Lucas highlights. I've just looking at his channel. Oh, he's got another one up there. Bloody how quick is he doing this? He's got, oh my God, he's growing faster than me. He's growing faster than me. He's got 13 subscribers. He just started, like he had was it 4 subscribers a minute ago? 67 views on this one, 10 views on this one. Unbelievable. He's got more bloody views. He's growing faster than me. That ain't right. What's going on there? Stop watching the channel. Watch the real one. Oh my gosh. Ali, does his discount apply only for a month or for... No, it's a lifetime membership. Cran Orange. It's lifetime. It's a lifetime. Oh, okay. I feel intrigued now. I have to watch. I have to tune in. This thing with autistic, right? I can relate to this because I've studied Elon Musk. I've read his book. I've read it. Oh, hang on a minute. I can't play that in a minute. I would like to. Emotional. Look at this. The reason why I can't play it is there's audio on it, and I don't want copyright on my video. How could I get copyright on my video? It's bloody. That's not right, is it? He's put music on it, which might which might copyright my video. That ain't right. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Muhammad gets a golden toilet. Look at this. Look at this. Muhammad gets a golden toilet. I've given you the top tip. You really need to do this. Put at Martyn Lucas Investor in the title at the end. At Martyn Lucas Investor. It's a good idea to do that. You will get more views doing that. Do you know what I mean? Look, I'll share with you. See, look. See how I've got my title of my video? This is my video right now, look, running. And I've got at Martyn Lucas, which is my other channel, you see? It links to the other channel. You get more views doing that. And make sure you do all your tags right. And anyway, I'm giving you tech advice here that you only get as a gold member. I'm not doing anymore. You've had too much of my attention already. Unbelievable. Right, we didn't get much interest in the music tonight, so we'll take a break. I won't bother tonight. I'll have a night off. Let's read some of these comments. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's get out of here. So we're back in the morning. If you want to win $20 tomorrow morning, there's Ali Tizro's video, and the newsletter, of course, has already gone out. You'll have that already. Use the hashtags at and the at symbol. Yeah, it's not the dollar symbol. It's the at symbol. Anyway, I would strongly recommend you do that if you want to get more views. Day trader of the day. All right, ready, everybody? Let's bring everybody up to date, and we'll do day trader of the day, and then we'll get out of here. How many views we got on the video? How many likes? 33. That's okay. There's 33 watching. That's fine. So here we go. Bring everybody up to date. Let's do day trader of the day. Are you ready? Okay. Do. It will never be more than $9.99 if you join before February. There you go. There you go. There you go. Look. Members will never pay more than $9.99 if you join before February. There you go. Look at that. Okay, you ready? Okay. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, here we go. You can be in this space like Ali Tizro. $99 a month, you can sponsor my show and be in this space. I have a reach now of just over 500,000 people across all my networks. Pretty good, right? Pretty good. Okay, day trader of the day. Up 0.94. Up. 0.95. Whoops. 95%. That's now consistent, folks. That's consistent. I am very, very happy with that. Very, very nice. And if I give you a minute to share, if we look at my position now, we're up on the live, the day, the week, the month. Not 3 months, long way to go. Down 24%, but that's okay. Year to date, 8.66, nearly $3,000. Very happy. Very, very happy with that. I've got buying power. I've got pending orders. That's if Tesla drops to 120. All right. So my overall position now was just touching 39 and a bit. 39,569. Nearly $40,000 now. Great. Great. Nearly 40,000. I'm very, very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. We're getting better all the time. It's been a good year so far, isn't it? It's been a rock and roll year. Rock and roll year. We love it. So far, things are going well. Anyway, let's do the scores now. Put a minute on the clock. You ready? Let me just put that up there slightly. There you go. I'm up 0.95. Crag is up 2.09. Very nice indeed. Arnold the Palmer up 12.97. That's his Tesla, right? It hasn't moved today. It's only up the after hours. It'll be interesting to see what it does tomorrow. Up 0.86. Ryan Burns. Oh, hang on. What happened there? What happened there? What's happened there? Let me come back to here in a minute. Ryan Burns is up 0.54. 2.36. 3% Stephen Lewandowski. 130s. I'll buy Tesla heavy. My average 160 from 2020. So it looks like Steve, the winner today is Arnold the Palmer, up 12.97. That's because of his Tesla. There we go. So thank you very much indeed for your honest trades. Let me just make some adjustments to that one. A little bit big. A little bit big. Make that there. Whoops. Thank you for your honest trades. And let's put him on the screen a minute. There you go. And give him a thumbs up as well. Very, very nice indeed. And bring on the sound effects. Arnold the Palmer, congratulations. Well done indeed. Down 1.7 nits for Eld. Congratulations, says Stephen Lewandowski. Right, an update. We are now at 3,650. It will update tomorrow on my watch time. It only does it once a day. 3,650. I took off some time this morning. I did a shorter stream because I was working on promoting my music channel. If we don't get to 4,000 by the end of January, each day I'll be taking off more time. So I might not even be here on Monday if over the weekend we are still a couple of 100 hours away. So it's up to you guys. I'll be here tomorrow. It might be a shorter show as I've got to focus on my music. However, Saturday, Sunday will be 28th, 29th. If by Sunday I'm still a couple of 100 hours short, Monday, I'll have to take Monday off and just go live all day or do music videos to make sure that I get it before the end of the month. So there we go. So it's up to you. If you can help me, click on my Martyn Lucas channel. If you're just tuned in now, thinking, what's he talking about? I am the World Piano Man. Here's my music channel. And we've got 350, whoops, Daisy, 350 watch hours to get on my channel by the end of the month. Otherwise, I could be demonetized. And we don't want that. All right, so there is my music channel. And click a playlist. Anything you like other than Al Crazy loves the music channel. Thank you so much indeed. Appreciate it. Pick one of the videos or pick a playlist. All right. Anything other than the shorts. And pick one with a few videos in it. Not just one video in it. It's not so good. So say you go to Ukraine, say for example. You click play all and then you loop. So you click play all and then you click loop and let it run. You might need, and you just leave it. All right. You might need to come back if it's stopped. All right. That's all you have to do. And I have to get another 350 hours by the end. And there's the loop button. See it? Just up there. And all you're doing is letting this playlist run around and around. You don't have to comment or like or anything like that. And you click it once, There you go. And now it's looping. Okay. There you go. All right. Okay. Hopefully I'll be here on Monday. I'll be here tomorrow, but it might be a shorter show if I need to do some more work. Great stream today. Martyn Lucas highlights. Thank you. We got our official... we've got our official Martyn Lucas highlights channel, who's a member to our channel. I can't believe it. And yeah, we're supporting what he's doing. We're having some fun with it. And there you go. Everyone's subscribing to it so they can keep an eye on what he's up to. I'll loop you. Al, you crazy. Thank you very much indeed. Wow, he's up to 18 likes, 18 subscribers now. Everyone's subscribing to him because they want to know what's going on. And just as a little thought, Martin, ML, I can't call you Martyn Lucas. ML Highlights, here's a little thought for you. Once, if you ever decide to go as a silver member, right, of my channel, and I really, really recommend you do, you will be here on the homepage of my YouTube channel as a silver member here, constantly getting new members, new subscribers. Anyway, that's an option. I can't believe I would have somebody on my channel who is the other me. Very weird. Anyway, whatever. It's all good. Thank you very much indeed. He wanted to do it. He does. He dives a mullago. Nitzfereld, I'm not sure what you meant by that. Anyway. Mini-me. Yeah, there's no mini-me tonight in my channel because my new system, I couldn't bring him on the screen. I'll hopefully get him. I'll get him back for tomorrow. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed for all being here. Thanks for all being part of it. Nobody else needs upgrading today. What's his name? ML Highlights. If you want to come onto Discord, I will upgrade you as a YouTube member. So you can be on Discord. It's free. It's part of your membership. And you get birthdays, polls, all the other benefits you get as a member as well. So there is Discord. I can't upgrade you unless it's on a live show. So there is Discord. Come into the welcome all and I will upgrade you. Can you upgrade me? Ali Tizro, I've done it. You've always been a member. You asked me that a lot. Ali, come into welcome all. Do it right now. Come into welcome all right now. I'll check. But I'm sure you have. You've been done for ages. You wouldn't have your own channel otherwise. Right, Ali, just come. You wouldn't even be able to call in. You wouldn't be able to call in. Oh, what do you mean? Let's upgrade you. You've got sponsor level. You've got your own channel. You're done. I don't know what else you need. I can't put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel because you haven't got a YouTube channel. Otherwise, you would be there on the top. Ali, I'll give you 10 seconds to come in. Ali's just commenting. Just give me a second. What's he going to say? I have no idea. Ali Tizro. Yeah, look, if I click on here, roll, there you are, you're a member. Obviously you're a member because you wouldn't be able to have your own channel. You wouldn't be able to call in. You are upgraded. There's nothing else to do. All right? He just wants some extra attention. Share with your followers. Oops. Yeah, oops is right. Flipping right, oops is right. You wouldn't be able to call in if you wasn't a member. That's how it works. You're trying to what? Break my system? What are you trying to do? Right, none of that. What's going on? None of this nonsense. It's nonsensery. That's what it's called, nonsensery. And we're having nonsensery on my show. All right, I'm out of here. I'm done. Okay, I'll see you all back in the morning. Just watched the Ali Tizro competition video and commented. Brickmark, excellent stuff. Excellent stuff. Can you upgrade me? Bloody hell. What's going on? Right. I'm out of here. I thought there is a separate one for sponsor level. There is. For sponsor level, you get sponsorship and promotions, which I'm doing in my show every day. Bloody hell, Ali, I'm already doing it. I'm talking about you every 5 minutes. I can't do any more. And yes, you go to the top. You go here in the sponsors if you have a YouTube channel, but you haven't got a YouTube channel. You know what you need, Ali? You need to get a super fan like ML Highlights to make highlights of you. And then you can go in the sponsor level here. Just saying. Right, I'm done with this nonsense. He's had too much of my time now. Let's get out of it. I can't be doing this anymore. Ali Tizro has taken over my show. I got to put a stop to it. I got to put a stop to it. So let's roll the credits. All right, let's get out of here. I need a cup of tea. Over on TikTok, we are a handful away from 32,000 followers. Incredible. Thanks for all the follows today, guys. Brilliant. Did you do an ad break on the show? Even if I didn't, you're not getting another one. Ali Tizro, this is my show. Even for $99 a month. Get out of it. Right. That's it. I'm done with this. Ali Tizro, he's starting to rile me up now. Starting to rile me up. Right, I'll see you back in the morning. That's it from me. Let's roll the credits. Did anyone do anything in the credits? I don't think so. I think you were rubbish today. Let's have a look. I don't know if we've got any super chats. I don't think anyone appreciated the show or anything. Roll the credits. And the credit's not going to roll. There we go. Roll the credits. Ah, I know why. That needs to go down to there. Showing all scenes. Showing all scenes. This is the new software, see? Finding little bugs. There we go. Roll them bloody credits. There's no point. Oh, look at all the subscribers. Ben Frazier, Tony Bridges, Wales Dab. See, I'm getting subscribers. I don't even know it anymore. Bill, Paul B, CMB Studio, Martyn Lucas Highlights. Martyn Lucas Highlights is on the screen. Look at that. Are you in the show? Are you watching? Look, there you go. Ali Tizro. Every show ad break was the deal. Why are you getting angry? Every show ad break. You've had a bloody ad break. Talked about you for 20 minutes. Unbelievable, isn't it? Unbelievable. You get these people come on your show and they take over the place. Did anyone know about Ali Tizro today? Does anyone not know about Ali Tizro's challenge? Did anybody miss it by any chance? David Mitchery is very upset with you. Who's David Mitchery? Who's David Mitchery? Is very upset with you. Who's that? David Mitchery is very upset. Who's David Mitchery? You got 10 seconds to say it. Who is Ali Tizro? Yeah, who is Ali Tizro? That's bloody right. I am very angry. That's why I super chat. That's right. He's very angry. That's why he super chatted. See you back in the morning. Let me know. Keep the chat going. Who's this David Mitchery? Take care of yourselves and each other. I'm still here behind the scenes. See, I'm still here. I'm behind the curtain. Who's David Mitchery? Who is he? CEO of Mullen. Get out of it. See you back in the morning. Bloody hell, David Mitchery's upset with me.